Lead the way, little
Can
traveler.
I see your shoes? Do they blink?
Yeah.
Let me see. Step up and down. Oh my god, they're scary little dragons. Rawr.
Alright, now, go walk. Lead the way, Connor.
Yes. No.
Let's go, Dad.
Okay, I'm coming.
Let's go this way.
What's over there? Are your shoes still blinking?
Carney, you have to check. Are they blinking? Are they? Are you sure?
Can you kick?
You should try a little more.
Can you kick? Kind of like this. Can you kick? Can you kick? Like that? One more time. Two more times. Kick, 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 kick.
And then just one, just goes flying off.
Okay. Awesome.
Connor, say bye.
Bye.
Look at me.
Bye. Say bye to Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.